everybody. Today we have a special guest, a couple special guests helping us out with farm chores, and we are so excited and we cannot wait to share that with you. So we hope that you enjoy, and we're glad that you're here again. Stay tuned. All right, today we have some helpers going to help us do some chores. What are your guys' names?
His name's Carson.
Kason and Carson. Are you guys ready? Excited? You need some hats first though, right? So here you go. Put on your hats. Get ready. There you go. Boom. Set. Ready to go? We'll make it fit. We'll make it fit. You ready, Carson? Thumbs. Yeah. Let's do this. Waylon, are you going to show them the ropes?
Yeah.
All right, get her done. Get in there, Kason. Thanks for helping. Come on, Lane. What do we do first? Some emu feed. Smart. Get in there.
Scoop it up. And when we go out, it's here. So we go up.
All right, got it? Got a scoop of sweet feed? Get out there and feed them goats. Look at all of them, they hungry. That's all right, just toss it in there the best you can. Yep, just dump it right in there.
Be careful, there's a hole up there.
Oh, you love them, Carson?
Did they bite?
No, they don't bite, silly, they're goats. There you go. Get it clean. Look at them. Yeah, they act like they haven't eaten before. Huh.
Here's the mama right there.
Yep. Now what do we do next?
Well, what the babies have some?
Who are you going to feed next?
The chickens.
The chickens. Let's do it. Oh, that's all right. They'll eat that too. Perfect. Keep on going. See, look at them.
Here, there's some right there.
Oh.
Be careful.
They want you. Keep walking. Get that up there.
There you go.
Carson, are you going to feed them chickens too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on. Lane, what are you doing? Watching them? Is that your job today, to watch the animals? Oh, goodness. There you go. They're just going to dump it out anyways because they like scratching at it. Good job, Kason.
Thank you.
What's up, Carson? Are you feeding too? Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeesh, man.
Carson, can you tell everybody hi?
Say hi, Carson.
Hi.
Hey. Are you having fun doing all this farm stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Hugs, best kind. What do we do next? We're going to do what with them? We're going to love them now? All right, let's love. Oh, looks like Lane's already in there. What the heck? You want to feed them, Carson? Come on, kid. They're waiting for you. Look at them. Waiting for you. Get in there. Get in there.
Come on, Carson. Hold on. No.
Oh, she's hungry.
Hello. Okay.
There you go. Good job, Carson. Oh, yeah. Look at all that food you just gave them.
Let's spread it out.
Delish. Delicious. Yeah. High five. Love it. You guys want to hold the baby's goat? Whoa. 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 What's wrong? What's wrong? I know. Oh, my goodness. Lane, what's he saying? You don't know? He wants his mommy. Gosh darn it. His mommy is Natty. She's right over there with all those polka dots on her. Maybe he wants his mommy. Want to hold one?
Hold on.
Aw. Aw, she's cute. She doesn't have a name. What name do you think she should have?
I do not know.
What does she look like?
She has white on her head.
Uh-huh.
She has black right here.
Oh.
How about I'm gonna name her Oreo?
Oh, that's a good name. She looks like you could just eat her up, huh?
I'm gonna put her down.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, there she goes. Here they come. Here they come. Woo!
I want to ride one. I want to ride
They're playing. They're playing. They just want to have a good time tonight. Oh, yeah. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, she's running. Look at them playing. They're so excited today. Lane, who's your favorite emu? Both? We have 6 of them. All of them?
I want to touch one.
You want to touch one? There you go. Is he soft? Yeah. Let Kason touch him. Just pet him right on the little chest. There you go. Good job. Pretty cool, huh?
What do you think of?
Where's Carson singing?
I don't know. He's always singing there.
Tricked ya. Trick shot. Ooh, she is breathing hard. She's lots of running, huh? Lots of running, girlfriend. She's loving this. She's like, who is this new guy helping out with all the farm chores?
Mom, it's so tiring.
Is it exhausting?
Yeah, it's
That's a lot of running, huh?
Yeah.
They can run fast.
I bet they can run faster than they talk.
Heck yeah. Do you love when they scream? No?
I don't think
That's terrible noise, ain't it? There's oh my gosh. Jesus. That goat is loud. Oh my goodness. Are you hanging out, everybody? Watching us chase dinosaurs?
We're here.
We're here, Dashy. And a beer, too. Smart. Happy Friday.
And I have a spare.
Oh, a spare. And very intelligent.
Carson likes it.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, you like that one, Carson? That one's cute, huh? You like that one, Kason? Prepare for the scream. Ah!
So vocal. Is this a boy or what?
That's a little boy.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. Goats are very dramatic. Like, very dramatic. They're cute, though. It is a boy. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Oh, now he's calm.
Yeah.
Mhm. Must be Alicia. She got the puppy calm, too. Oh.
I love how they're just looking. Come here, I want to pet you.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Time to get eggs. Come on, boys. How many eggs do you think you're gonna get? I think they're gonna get 6 because the dogs probably ate a whole bunch off the ground.
5.
5 of them? That's a good number.
Look at all the chickens.
Show me how many you got.
5.
Come here, Waylon. How many did you get, Kason?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Dang! Those are some good eggs right there. Look at them things. Yeah, which one's your favorite? That one? It's a good choice. That's actually my favorite with the speckles on it. What's your favorite, Waylon?
I like the white one because we have the Polish chicken that lays this one.
Oh yeah, the Polish chicken. We can't leave her out.
Nope.
She's cool.
Yep. She's around.
Wait, this one's a fresh white one.
Fresh.
Carry them for me up to the house. I didn't think I wasn't going to have sourdough bread in here, did you?
No.
Well, here it is. Who wants a piece? Get after it.
I'll take 2.
No, you won't take 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Thanks for helping.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good night.
Night. Oh, and we can't forget about Dashy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. All right. Did we have so much fun today?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you going to come back and help us another time?
Yep.
Heck yeah. We're so grateful to have you guys here. Thank you, Kason and Carson, for being here with us, and Lane and Waylon for helping us out.
Yep.
And we hope to see you guys again, right?
Yeah.
And say thank you to everybody for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.